Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Sambit Mukherjee and welcome to my YouTube channel SM360 Degrees. Let's discover. Of late, I have been receiving requests to prepare one video on the R9 or the ninth sector of Life Republic Township from my friends and YouTube viewers. So, in today's episode, we will see the status of the R9 sector. This is the view of the R9 sector from the ground floor. And this is the view of the R9 sector from the middle floors. As we can see, the R9 sector is almost completely built. Only some towers are left with few of the floor constructions. And this is the view of the R9 sector from the top floor.